When an acid and base are combined, a neutralization reaction occurs. The point at which both are neutralized is called the equivalence point. In a titration, very small amounts of one solution, known as the titrant, are added to another solution until the equivalence point or neutralization point is reached. The titrant is a standard solution of known concentration. It may either be an acid or a base. The receiving solution is of unknown concentration. It also may be an acid or a base, but is opposite of the titrant. Eventually, the end point of the titration is reached and the solution is neutralized. This may be detected by the use of an indicator which changes color as the pH changes, or by measuring pH directly. By knowing both the exact volume of the receiving solution and the volume and concentration of the titrant needed to neutralize it, the amount of an acid or base in the receiving solution can be calculated with this equation.